we have a ton of cool things going on here on the channel. In this video, I just want to catch everybody up, share what's going on, and just kind of and tell you about the cool things that are upcoming. I'm Jesse, you're watching Outside is Calling.
Intro video.
So we just finished a 3-month trip from Florida up to Bar Harbor, Maine, and back down. We've got over 2,000 gigabytes, 2 terabytes of data from the trip. And what's exciting is this is a really cool trip, but I have some videos coming out that aren't just videos about us traveling. This time around, what I've done is as we travel, we've met some really cool people and captured some really powerful stories I'll be sharing with you here over the coming weeks. And what's really cool about this is the people that I've interviewed and shot footage with, they're living remarkable lives in the fact that they're not living a normal life like the average American. I met a guy, his job is to build and maintain mountain bike trails in the woods. Another guy, doesn't work for, but he's hired by Red Bull to create videos. So some of the videos you might see on ESPN or the snowboarding type stuff. Interviewed some celebrities from the History Channel. We met the pie guy from Bar Harbor, Maine. If you haven't heard of him, you'll want to hear that story. There's just so many cool people on this trip I've been able to not just like sit down and talk to, but actually interview. And I've been able to capture their stories to share with you here on the channel coming up. So I'm excited. And I think it's definitely going to make up for the lack of videos we've had over the last couple months. This is my new office. I've actually got an office space set up now. So today is move-in day. I just finished getting all this stuff out of boxes and unpacked. And in fact, here, let me take the camera off let's pop this off of the tripod here so that I can do this without dropping the camera. Hard to see, there's some big waves out there. Anyhow, this is where my new office is at, so come on and check it out. I'm excited to finally have an office space to get some work done. So this is a new co-working space in Cocoa Beach, and being the first person here, I got first picks on rooms, so I picked right here. So how cool is that? This is the office where I'm going to start creating these videos. Super excited. Okay, so here is my new office. We got lights, reflectors, modifiers, all the stuff we'll need for lighting over here. I've got all the office type stuff and camera gear put away, and essentially I've got a desk area. And the coolest part about this office is it's raining right now, but I have a view of the ocean from a distance. And right now it's like way overhead, big waves. So not a surf day today, but maybe tomorrow. So it's official, I'm creating a mini-series called The Pursuit of Happiness, and this is our travel adventure up to Bar Harbor, Maine and back down to Florida. But it's not just about us. It's actually about a lot of people we've met on the road that are living life differently and that are actually finding ways to find either happiness or fulfillment or both. And so it's going to be a really incredibly great series. I hope you stick around. I'm going to try and do a few videos each week as I work on the videos and kind of bring you guys along to share what's going on. It's mid-December, so the holidays are in full swing. I hope everyone out there is having a wonderful December and that you're excited and going to have a nice holiday season, whether it's Christmas or whatever you celebrate. And like I said, stick around because there's going to be a lot more cool content coming out here in the near future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.